I always tell people that when you're looking for a condo, you want to get a unique characteristic of it. And look at this patio. It's a total wrap around over 400 square feet patio. Like, you're just not going to get this in new condo builds today. It's such a unique feature. And then the other thing I always tell everyone, if you want to get space in a condo, you got to come to an older building because they were built for people who are downsizing. They have space. We have enough room for a dining room table. We have a real kitchen. We have a great living room. We have 2 big bedrooms. We have a gorgeous bathroom. And come on, you can't get any better than Yonge at Eglington. I walked out today, I saw 6 hamburger joints, for God's sakes. Burger Priest, McDonald's, the Subway's there, the Yonge Eglington Center. You can get downtown in seconds, Winners, Metros. It's such a great area. So you know what? You gotta come and take a tour of this fabulous unit.